Hi, this is Mika from Sourcing Yuan. Today we're checking out the GO9S 4K Ultra Compact Thumb Camera. Think GoPro, but half the size and twice the convenience. Let's dive in. And see the design and portability. It's small and tough. And this is the camera. Below is the battery compartment, and with a Type-C charging port, and this is the battery indicator. And use this button to separate them. Okay, and the weight is about 50 grams and smaller than a matchbox. The GO9S is built for on the go. It's a 10 meters waterproof, can help you dive into water, and it has magnet on the bottom. So let's open it. Use this button. It has 1.6 inches IPS touchscreen. Support videos in 4K 30 FPS and 1080 60 FPS and 30 FPS, and sharp H.265 footage without killing your storage, and anti-shake mode with 6-axis stabilization EIS, and 3D AI noise reduction. The battery can help you get 120 minutes of 4K video on the battery with 400 mAh, or go extra 30 minutes with the 1300 mAh battery compartment. The Wi-Fi app can control it to preview and edit clips on your phone, and multiple models like loop recording, slow motion, time pause, and photo, etc. And open this. You can use a wire to connect it to your phone or computer. And it is tiny, tough, and packed with features. Would you choose a thumb camera like this? Let me know. And thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.